number 1. In July 3, 1887, beyond the family was found in Calamba of childhood. May cradle joy and boon old house. Come home, clearing to be reunited with Leonor Rivera, Rizal's childhood sweetheart. She was with her Rizal's family.
Don't worry. I'll ask my parents and tell them to visit you.
But I refused. They had warned you that your life is in danger.
I got formal engagement. And it's greatly sad. I love you, Leonor.
Okay. Let's dance together now. Let's start to eat. That's enough. Don't be shy, Lenore. Come here. Come on.
Leonor, welcome to my home and welcome. They're my sisters. Narcisa, Alicia, Segunda, Maria.
Now you know, Lenore. You should have to get to know each other first. Now you know, Lenore. You should have to get to know each other first. Okay.
Number 2. Wooden wall, a loved fantastic carved by Rizal with a floral motif. And the formal dining room.